So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card motherboard driver. So first you come to www.gigabyte.com and you can see here the search button and just enter the model number which is you require driver of. Okay, and then hit enter. Then click to product and you can see this is then click support. Select your operating system which is your required driver. So LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. So guys, when you click to download now, you have to start downloading, and after download, this is your LAN driver. When you click to download, it will download this file. You just single click to double click. So first this is extract, and then yes. Now this is start downloading. See LAN driver. So guys, it will automatically close means this is installed.